In Revit 2022, Systems Analysis has added new features that give you access to better information. It is now possible to enable Use Rooms or Spaces in the Energy Setting dialog to view the energy analytical model in Revit. Workflows for exporting GBXML have been consolidated into a new dialog. You are now able to view HVAC loads and psychrometric reports on a single screen. After running a simulation on a systems analysis model, view engineering checks to quickly perform QA/QC on multiple systems. Reports show a breakdown of load components, totals for equipment sizing, a psychrometric chart, and detailed psychrometric state point properties in a printable format. Systems Analysis in Revit 2022 enables improved viewing of the energy analytical model, has streamlined GBXML exporting, and provides better reporting in a consolidated, printable format.